Hi everyone, welcome back to the podcast. Hope you had a wonderful Sunday evening. Me and Dhana actually were just here 5 minutes back, but you guys have time traveled almost 24 hours. That is the power of YouTube. And here we are. A whole 24 hours has gone by. We got something more warm and juicy for you, as they say, in a Sunday morning as you're recovering with your headaches and your revelries of last night. What do we have, Dhana?
So it was common question, and many of them wanted the answer. So the question was: we are already speaking that about gold ETF, and we are serious about the gold ETF. It can definitely need to be in the portfolio that you have been telling.
Yes.
Okay, but why not silver ETF? So it was a common question. And then I have taken some metrics, sir. Metrics means some data. The gold ETF, for the common understanding, what was gold ETF and silver ETF? Divided into pieces of milligrams. One milligram of gold, it will be around 8 to 10 rupees. So some companies are issuing like that. 10 milligrams also issuing like that. 100 milligrams. So like that, gold ETF has been running. So the 1 gram of gold, it will be divided into the milligrams. The volatility, if you are taking, it will be comparatively less compared to the silver ETF. And price, it was giving the return of 30% in the 1 year. And then gold ETF, if you are taking especially, it was launched in 2007. So it was the gold ETF side. If you are taking the silver bees, it will be 1 gram of silver bee is around 90 to 100. So it will be 1 kg is a silver price. So if you are taking the 1 gram of silver, it will be around 99. Now volatility, if you are taking industrial purpose, silver was using. So it will be more volatile, and then sometimes it will be give the 40% of return, sometimes it will be give the 20% of return. So it will be very more volatile. It was launched in the 2022. So silver bees was recently launched in many platforms. Like I am searching in that Google, UTA, Nippon, Axis, HDFC. So every ETF, most of the AMC ETF companies also launching this product in the 2022. But in the case of gold, it will be 2007. So this was the overlay. So why we are not into the silver bees? So and why we are not talking about the silver bees? So that was the main question.
Well, the problem with silver is more volatile than gold. People do this arbitrage where they buy gold, they look at silver and gold prices. Usually they always follow together. If you see the graph, this is 1 year graph. Okay, you can see gold and silver always together. Then suddenly silver is actually in gold color here. Gold is blue. Suddenly you see silver, the way it's going up. Gold is here. It didn't move for a long period of time. Gold. Then suddenly silver corrects. Huge correction in silver. Then this follow again. Again silver is ahead. Then silver drops. Then silver is now below gold.
So more volatility.
Yeah. It tracks gold prices, but it's far more volatile.
Okay.
So if you're looking at it, there is no guarantee that it will track inflation the way gold tracks. Stable.
Okay.
Silver is volatile. So a lot of people do this. Silver and gold traders, what they do is they buy silver when silver is below gold, they'll buy silver. When silver goes above gold, they'll sell the silver and buy gold. Like over here, you'll book profit in silver and buy gold. Then you'll wait for silver price to come below gold. Then again, you'll sell all your gold and buy silver. You'll wait till silver goes up again. Sell all your silver and buy gold.
So it is trader mindset, commodities traders.
Commodity trading. You can do this. Only thing is, unless you're putting a lot of money, you're not going to. If you put 7 lakhs, 70 lakhs, then you'll be seeing some nice profit. Where you and me are doing tiffin coffee, 700 rupees, right? And you buy 900 rupees, sell 900, 200 rupees.
No point, sir.
Yeah, no point. So, and if you're looking at stability, gold is the gold standard. That's why it's called gold standard. It's not called silver standard. And gold has no other use than being storehouse of value. Silver has other uses. So, silver is actually a used metal in the industries. Gold is not. Very little gold is used. We don't argue saying gold is also used. Yes, gold is used, but not as much as silver is used. So, gold that way has only one main component, which is to store value. And it is much safer to hold gold than silver. But you can track silver. There's no problem in it if you know what you're doing. And if you're ready for the volatility, which I just showed you. The main reason is this volatility. Yeah, you can consider it. But then if you're considering it, you might as well consider stocks.
And then I have another question. If I am going for the silver or gold ETF, what's your opinion? If I'm having the both options, if you could buy gold or you could buy silver, which should you buy? Always buy gold. For my emergency level also, if I want to a stable the portfolio, like stocks will be more volatile also. But the gold standard and silver standard, if you are taking, which one?
I would always stick to gold.
Gold. So
Because gold is tried and tested. Gold is universal. Silver, yes, but it's not universal as way gold is.
so if you are looking for the silver, we will be considered as a stocks like that.
Yeah, it's a commodity trading, right? It's like buying copper. It's like buying steel. It's like buying oil.
So and the next second question, sir.
You can buy platinum, titanium, you know.
So and then the second question. So okay, silver ETF is okay, gold ETF is okay. Like you have been telling, if you have the lump sum amount, you need to safe park in the short span of time, like 2 years or 3 years. You need to be safe in the gold ETF. Like that they can do in the silver ETF. Short span.
Yes. Here, this gets really interesting now. If you track the Nifty ETF, see the way the percentages have tracked. See where Nifty. This was 2024 when Anand was telling you, look at gold, my brother was saying, no? Those of you who see the divergence, see where gold is going and where is your stock market gone.
Stock market correcting, silver also correcting.
It is like the K-shaped recovery, which is
K-shaped recovery.
Yes. So this is why we look at gold. And gold is beating silver also here. So as the situation gets worse, economy gets worse, global situation gets worse, there is war everywhere, there is trade war going on. Gold will get stronger and stronger and stronger. As interest rates are doing what it's doing with the Fed in India, gold will be beating everybody hollow.
Like the Trump note he was
Correct.
doing.
You see silver starting to beat gold when the world is feeling like everything is okay, everything is smooth, everything is stable. Then gold will sit stable. At that time, you may see silver moving around.
I don't know, sir, why the launch was done in the 2022 for the silver. Gold was launched in the 2007 as ETF product.
That's because of demand, man. And same reason why the bond market in India is so shallow. Meaning it's not many people in it because retailers don't want it. Retailers are not participating in it. Now, because retailers are slowly knowing about bond, they're talking about bond. But before 5 years ago, you talk about bond, nobody will be like, what is bond? They'll think you're talking about cement bundly. Okay, at least down south. I don't know what you guys call it up north, but down south in Burnley, Arun, me and Dhana will go bring you cement Burnley and come and stand there. It'll be like Mace 3 standing there. I don't know what to do next. But jokes aside, silver is down. It's come because there's been demand from public and interest from public for silver bees. So it's there. Tomorrow, if public demands, interest is there for, let's say, oil bees. You'll see oil. So as I was saying, it all depends on demand, public demand. So silver bees has come now. So tomorrow, and Indian market is slowly, like you go to US, you have many ETFs. You have all kinds of crazy ETFs in the US. So we assume ETF are passive and like because we're seeing gold and Nifty, because only Indian market is interested in this. As more and more retailers get inside, as Indian market matures, as the Indian public learns more about stock market and how trading is done and how stocks are invested, you will see more and more of these hybrids coming out.
Oh, in some cases, silver, copper, aluminum,
those are all commodities.
Commodities.
Yeah,
but
in
it
US
also
you have.
can be a ETF.
Yeah, you
in
can.
the future,
Yeah, you can.
if the demand has been upon.
Yeah, you can. And there's lots of future and options trading in that also, in commodities. Let's say they trade in US, even in commodity markets. You can go see the movie Trading Places, where the whole joke is about orange, the Californian orange, because it's very important. The orange is required for orange juice, and orange juice market is very big in the US. So they talk about orange juice and they try to corner the market about orange juice. So India pulses could be a commodity, rice, garlic, onions, potatoes.
There is any chance to list in the share market?
Maybe in the future. Maybe when you're like me, you'll have a commodity market in India where all this is listed and you can, do an arbitrage on that. That you think the monsoon will be good this year and you take a position. Future option position in commodities. So in your area near Tiruvannamalai, so many quintillion tons of rice will come. It's going to come definitely this year, bumper crop. So you buy it at an expensive price, then you see the price crash and you're holding and then you book profit. A lot of people do that. But these are all trades. See, I don't like talking about it because it's not value investing. You can do it, yes. You can make money doing anything. You can make money selling biryani. Like how Vallur was supposed to do and he failed in doing it because he got lazy. But you can make money in anything you do as long as you know what you're doing.
Okay, sir.
Two critical things. You must know what you're doing and then you must do it. My friend Arun knows lots of things, but he doesn't do it. So he's a man of great knowledge, but little application. So the day Arun starts applying himself, he'll be a wonder boy.
I think that we we are speaking, they will know because the video has been released.
Correct. And the reason why I keep mentioning Arun so much in my videos is just to wake him up. He's sitting behind my camera dozing off on his phone, rubbing his phone like it's a magic lamp. He's like Aladdin. Genie, come out. Genie. Oi, Genie. Genie, bhaiya. Genie. Give me 3 wishes, Genie. Oi, Genie. Aladdin is here. Poor Genie is not coming. So, chalo. Enough jokes aside.
Conclusion.
Conclusion, yes. So, if you have to invest in gold and silver, I would suggest stay in gold and keep in gold. And if you are so bored and you want entertainment, go find entertainment elsewhere. Do not try and get into silver ETF and all kinds of other ETFs. Just stick to the basics and keep investing. This is why I say Tiffin coffee, right? I'm not saying put bulk, right? Even gold, yes, it's going to appreciate this year. It's expected to. I'm not asking you to put lump sums. Okay, unless you have a lump sum and you need to, that's a separate issue, which is spoken about separately. But in terms of investing, if you have a lot of money to invest, still go in Tiffin coffee ranges because an opportunity will come. You know, like the COVID crash, Donald Trump might do something stupid with Elon Musk, his best buddy, and then the market might tank and we might be at 19,000 for all we know. And you might find Tata Motors being sold for 300 rupees, 400 rupees. You might find, ITC going for 100 rupees. At that time, you would have been like, oh, damn it. I went and locked up all that money unnecessarily in something else. So
we need to prepare that situation.
Yeah. So keep it in your pocket and keep moving, investing in Tiffin coffee ranges. If you do have lump sums, that me and Dhana have spoken about many times. See that advice, and if you don't know what that video was, message him on Instagram. He'll send you that video, and you can watch what we advised about doing with lump sums, how to time your lump sum investments. Nothing else more to say. Have a wonderful day, Sunday. Recover, recharge, rest up. So tomorrow is Monday. Back to the grind, as they say. You have another full week of work. I hope you enjoyed your Valentine's Day and your Valentine's was really kind to you. I'm sure Arun had a wonderful Valentine's weekend. He also must have recovered by now, Arun, wherever he is, in whichever part of Chennai. He must be enjoying his breakfast, remembering that he's been mentioned in this podcast. We wish you all the best. See you tomorrow to do some more Tiffin coffee. See you on Instagram. Wake up early, nice and early, 5 o'clock. See you on the dot. Bye then.
Bye.